Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials and creating the room now. Open the Scribble game lobby and select Create Room. Choose public or private depending on who you want. Give the room a clear name and set drawing time and max players, because those settings affect link behavior. Once done, save the room and generate the Share Link option. Make sure to stay in the lobby while copying the link so session tokens remain valid for everyone you invite. Next, you refine the game experience and produce a stable link. Change timers, rounds, and the word list to match player skill. This prevents mismatches mid-game. If you want control, enable a password or set a player cap so random users cannot join. After configuring, click Copy Link and paste into a new browser tab to test that it opens the lobby correctly. If it fails, refresh session settings and recreate the link. Because expired token, finally you distribute the link and manage the session to completion. Send the link with clear instructions, password, start time, and device tips so players join smoothly. Once players arrive, watch the lobby and promote trusted users or kick bots to keep play fair. Start the game when ready. If anyone reports a broken link, first ask them to clear cache or try another browser. If that does not work, regenerate the room link and resend, because session expiry or network blocks are the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.